And a good day to each and every one of you. Today, of course, is Wednesday, and it's the 10th day of April in the year of 2019. This is weather with J7409. So what can you expect coming up in this forecast? Blizzard conditions. That's right. They are expected in the central northern plains with a potent late season winter storm. We got severe thunderstorms and heavy rain that's possible over the central plain to the middle Mississippi Valley, and that's all south the heavy snow. We had extreme fire weather danger yesterday, and if you think it was something yesterday when I showed it to you, it's even worse today. That's all coming up on Weather News with J7409. Now, as we're taking a look at the Watches and Warnings map, we're going to start out right up here in Minnesota. Yes, blizzard things are happening. We got a blizzard warning, my friends. It's going to remain in effect northwest of a line from Redwoods Fall to St. Cloud. Now, a winter storm watch is in effect for most of the rest of central and southern Minnesota and western Wisconsin. Remember I said a potent storm? Well, a potentially historic winter storm is expected to start Wednesday evening late, lasting into early Friday morning. Now, the confidence is high that a band of heavy snow will reach central and western Minnesota Wednesday evening and continue through Thursday, tapering off in intensity gradually Thursday night. Now, snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour will be possible at times. Periods of mixed precipitation in the form of rain, snow, and sleet are expected along and south of a line of the Twin Cities metro area to Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Now, there's still a considerable uncertainty where this transition zone is going to set up. A tighter gradient in snowfall totals than currently forecast should be expected along this zone. The winds are going to start below, okay? Tomorrow night, or tonight rather, Wednesday night, you can have gusts of 45 to 55 miles per hour by Thursday. Now, they're going to start picking up tonight. Now, I would not be surprised if the pressure gradient doesn't tighten a little, and you may get a little more snow in some areas. Now, of course, all of this high wind and everything else is going to lead to the snow blowing and drifting, and that's what's going to cause the blizzard conditions across west central Minnesota. So, you know, it could be nearly impossible by Thursday to travel in these areas, and here's some of the cities that it does include. Now, where, once again, portions of central, southwest, and west central Minnesota, it's a blizzard warning from 7 p.m. Wednesday till 7 a.m. Friday. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations, are you looking at this, my friends, right in here? 12 to 18 inches with isolated 20-inch amounts possible. So, you know, the wind's going to blow some of this up, but still, that is so much snow. Now, yes, it snows in April. It's done it a zillion times before, but I know we were all gearing up to get right for springtime weather. But people, please pay attention to this. Now, if we go over in Nebraska right quick, what's going to happen? You're going to get this potent storm system as well, and it's going to bring a variety of impacts to the Central Plains Wednesday through Thursday night, today through tomorrow. Impacts could include accumulating snow, whiteout conditions from falling and blowing snow, and travel that could be very difficult to extremely dangerous, and conditions dangerous is going to be to livestock also. Now, this storm system will bring moderate to heavy snow, strong winds as high as 60 miles per hour for you folks. So please keep keep in mind what I'm telling you now. This is the cities that it includes right in here, and it's going to remain in effect from 7 p.m. this evening till 5 a.m. Friday. Blizzard conditions are likely. Total snow accumulations 4 to 11 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch with winds of 60 miles per hour in gusts. This is for portions of central, north central, and southwest Nebraska. In other areas here in Minnesota, North St. Louis, these two counties right here, cities include Ely and Big Fork. Well, this just came out yesterday, so it's the same for today. Heavy snow possible. Total snow accumulation 6 to 10 inches. Your winter storm watch is what you have. It's in effect from Thursday morning through Friday morning. And my friends in Michigan, portions of eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Winter storm watch is in effect Wednesday night tonight through late Thursday night. Heavy mixed winter precipitations possible. You could get up to 2 inches of accumulation and ice accumulations of around 1/4 inch. Your winds are going to gust as high as 40 miles per hour. Once again, this is for portions of eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. And for my Wisconsin friends, portions of central and northeast Wisconsin, well, you're under a winter storm watch. That's right, you got snow coming too. I hate to even tell this to you people. You know what I'm saying? This storm watch is in effect from Wednesday evening, this evening, through Thursday afternoon. Heavy snow, mixed precipitation. Your snow accumulations could be 4 inches to 1/2 foot, 6 inches. Ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch, and your winds could gust as high as 40 miles per hour. Once again, for portions of central and northeast Wisconsin, from this evening through tomorrow afternoon. Now, once again, the orange, everything in the orange, that's blizzard conditions that's going to be happening. Now, if you're in the pink, up in South Dakota, a little bit of Montana here, also this section that's in pink, and as we come down into Wyoming, this is a winter storm warning. Winter storm warning. You're not going to get what this little section right here is going to get by any means. Okay? And everybody else, get right. You're going to get something. Whether it's a whole lot or whether it's a little lot, I don't think it will be as much, though. I'm just messing with you now. But I have already showed you what you areas up in here can go ahead and expect to get. Now, you heard me talk about the fire weather, the fire danger, everything in pink. The wind is going to blow from Arizona all the way through this brown in Texas, part of Oklahoma, and in the Panhandle going up into Kansas. Then coming on around, as you can see. We're going to have some very, very high winds, and we do need to check that out. This potent spring weather system is going to blast through New Mexico today with strong winds, blowing dust. It's going to make travel dangerous. It could cause some power outages and possible road closures. West to northwest winds 35 to 45 miles per hour, sustained with gusts of 60 to 75 miles per hour are expected, and that is hurricane strength. So here you can see right up in here what's going on. It should peak today between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. The Rio Grande Valley, east into West Texas, confidence is high for damaging winds over the eastern plains of New Mexico. Once again, there could be power outages, road closures, low visibility because of the blowing dust. You need to take everything in because you have a good chance of getting Category 1 hurricane strength wind today. Now as we take a look at the weather map and where severe weather may be, of course the little block you see right in the middle, the little oblong shaped mark with yellow markings through it, that's where the chance of severe thunderstorms are going to be possible. And that chance of severe thunderstorms will be with large hail and damaging winds. Now it's just possible that this could occur for this afternoon and this evening from northern Kansas through southeast Nebraska and into western Iowa. So if you're in those areas, you could be getting some severe thunderstorms today, possibly with high winds and some hail in them. The chance of tornadoes is low at this time. It's only like a 2% chance. Just keep your eyes on the sky and be aware. Now, where you see the markings with the white going through them, my goodness gracious, this little bit of Utah. Here's Wyoming, South Dakota, all of this. This, my friends, heavy snow is very possible for all of you guys. And over in here, remember I told you it's going to start out mixed. Also, that portion of Minnesota I've been talking about, this is going to be mixed. Probably freezing rain and sleet. That's probably what that's going to turn out to be. But we've got mixed precipitation all the way from Vancouver up for my friends in Canada, Seattle, Washington, all the way over, as you can see, right in this area to Michigan. Now, this lighter shade here, once again, this is freezing rain possible. But other than that, everything that's in the blue like this, it's just mixed up. Rain, sleet, freezing rain's what you're probably going to get. Also, we have one little patch of heavy snow possible over in Oregon. Don't want to forget that. So everybody be aware. Mixed precipitation up in Maine, up right on the edge of Montreal, New Hampshire, Vermont, a little bit of New York. Other than that, we do have some rain all the way down from the Keys all the way up to the coastline of South Carolina. So a large portion of Florida, over on the east side of Florida, is going to be getting some rain showers, that chance of rain, and thunderstorm activity as this low pushes on out. We're going to end it up with a check of the NDFD map, where of course at midnight Wednesday, today at midnight, this is what it was looking like. I was talking about rain in Florida. You can see the heavier rain, the darker green, down in Florida by midnight on Wednesday is when it started. Now, where this is going on, we do have a little chance of severe weather that could hatch. It could hatch up some severe weather in here, also in Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina. We get to the 6 a.m. run, that mostly deteriorates, as you can see, and it's moving on offshore. I have a little bit right where I live, but not a big deal. And by lunchtime, we can see the snow start moving into Minnesota. Probably before then, we'll go back and check, but you can see that purple. That's that mix line. That's that freezing rain line that's going on. The darker the blue, the heavier the snow. This is 6 p.m. run, the 18Z run. Thursday at midnight, you can see what's going on. This system is just lingering around. This low's going to move up. Eventually, you guys right up in this area are going to start getting some rain and chance of thundershower activity. Now, at lunchtime Thursday, this is what it's looking like. And by midnight Friday night, you can see the low still there, whipping around snow for Minnesota, South Dakota, Nebraska. All you guys out here, further west, you're getting some lighter snow. And over in Oregon, you're getting a mix where the purple is of rain, freezing rain, and snow. for the most part, with rain on the coast. So by Friday at midnight, we have another chance, looking like now, of some more severe thunderstorms that could possibly hatch up from Louisiana, Mississippi. We're over here. We got some going on in Alabama, a little bit right over here, and in Georgia, just lighter rain other places. So this severe weather could hatch up all the way going up to Illinois over here and Indiana over here. So, I mean, and in Tennessee. So we'll have to keep our eyes out on that. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and click that bell. I appreciate it a lot. We love new people over here on Weather News with J7409. Everybody, please stay safe, prepare. I've been telling you this stuff's coming for a couple of days now, so please be ready for whatever may come your way. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, and peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks for watching.